So I was filming this and I realized I didn't have an intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my fam here on YouTube. So today I'm actually gonna be doing a makeup look and a dress up look for my 25th birthday. That sounded weird. It's for my 25th birthday. And so yeah, just enjoy. I'm washing my other brushes, so I kind of have to use my miscellaneous ones. That should be interesting. Can't believe I'm actually 25 today. Like, I actually feel like I'm 25. I've had like other birthdays where I'm just like, I guess don't feel like the age that I turn, you know. So now that I did my eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. So this is actually the primer that I've been using. I love it. I love how it makes my face feel. I just usually do one pump. One pump and then I spread it throughout my face. Oakley is sleeping. I'm actually taking care of him on my own today. Daniel's actually at work. Today's one of those days that he's actually gonna be like staying late at work because they have a meeting. Kind of bummed out about that, but it's okay. The only reason I'll use a beauty blender is if I have time. So the only reason I'll have time to actually use a beauty blender is when Oakley is sleeping, so I can do my makeup like at my own pace, and then I'll use an actual like brush. Started using a beauty blender again, and oh my gosh, I forgot how like nice your makeup comes out looking, if that makes sense. I was like, wow, I cannot believe I was missing out on this. And it's like so fluffy because I actually just washed it. So yeah, it feels weird because I don't usually wet my sponges, but yeah. I do like an inner corner like blue, and then like the outer corner like a dark like brown or black. I actually like bought eyelashes because I'm like, when I usually like do makeup looks, I don't wear any, just because I was wearing eyelashes for a while and every time I put on the glue it made my eye like itchy, so I would have like an allergic reaction. And keep in mind, I've tried different kinds of glues and they've all like irritated my eye, so it like was hard for me to find a perfect one. So now I'm like gonna try this other one that's supposed to be like it's supposed to be nice. Oh no freaking way, look what happened. Yeah, it irritates my eye, so I'm just like, I bought a different one, and this one is like a lot pricier. It's probably like $13 plus tax, well $12.99 plus tax. And so I'm hoping that it actually works out for me, like it doesn't irritate my eye, because it sucks like so bad. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This is actually called Aftershock from Bad Habit. Oh, that's a lot nicer. Okay, I'm like actually like not comfortable using like really like whoa kind of like eyeshadows, but I'm trying to get a little bit more out of my comfort zone with them because I'm like, they look nice and I've seen how people like be wearing them, and I'm just like, ooh, you know. I wonder like, what are you guys up to? I'm still like trying to like, I'm still waiting on to get like if I got approved from that actual college and stuff, and so I'm just like, man, it's taking forever. But it's because my high school hasn't like, I guess, sent out the transcripts that they need, and I'm just like, really? This is not fallout. It's like when I was going like this with my brush, actually like I touched down there. I'm going with my concealer. Just go down here. Oh sorry, I used two different concealers. This one's actually in the shade Warm Honey, and then the other one I think it's Vanilla. Yeah, Vanilla. The only reason why I use two different is because my face is like in a transitional phase where it's not tan but it's not like light either. Then mixing both of them together makes it look like really nice. I feel like this is not the thinnest, so here we go. So I use this one because this one's thinner. This is probably not the appropriate brush to be using because I'm scared I'm gonna put my eye out. I think that looks pretty nice. I'm actually gonna try out these House of Lashes. I think that's the name. And yeah, they're 100% cruelty free, latex free, long lasting, waterproof, and has a brush applicator. So as soon as you open it, this is how it looks. And so hopefully this doesn't irritate my eyes I'm hoping it doesn't. And I'm just using like the Ardell Wispies. Like, should I put a lot? Should I put a little? Okay. Let's do this. I think they look kind of nice. See, I got it. No, I'm done. I cannot with you. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner. Just trace the top of it. Now I'm gonna put on my Total Temptation waterproof mascara. Watching you. Oh my gosh, they look amazing. I really think I am in love with these eyelashes. So I'm using the Physicians Formula palette, the one that I actually did a video of. So I'm actually just gonna be using this brush to use the bronzer. So I'm actually gonna be using this one since it's a lot lighter. This is a brush I got in like one of my Ipsy bags a long time ago. Butter blush, this one up here. Oh, bless you. Bless you, bubba. I don't have my highlight brush. I'm gonna use this brush, which I have no idea where I got from, but I'm gonna use these two together. I love how they look together. Apply it to my nose. Highlight, my blush, my bronzer. I think I'm gonna wear this lipstick, which is 0.0, but I'm going to, ooh, how did this fall? So now that my whole face is actually done, I'm going to, he is playing with this curtain thing. Give me 1 sec. All right, so now that my makeup look is actually done, I'm going to be trying on my outfit and seeing if I like it with straight hair. If I don't like it how it looks with my straight hair, then I'll probably curl it. Let's do the final like completed look together. All right, so I ended up curling my hair. You know what's funny? That there's actually 3 pieces for that, but the other one's over there like because it fell. But anyways, so I decided to curl my hair, and then this is my outfit. I actually have like a blazer slash jacket. I kind of like regret getting like large instead of a medium, but it fits pretty nice. You can actually button it, but for me, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And this is a plain basic white shirt, and then I have like this necklace that has like 3. It's one necklace, but it has 3 attachments. I don't know what it's called, but anyways, it's from I think H&M or Forever. Jacket and shirt are from H&M, and then my ring, my small ring, is from H&M as well. You tell I love this color. Anyways, and my watch is from Target. Got it probably like 2 birthdays ago, 3, 4. All right, so the bottom is actually some ripped jeans, and then my Converse. I think these jeans are from Target, Old Navy, I'm not sure honestly, got them years ago. But yeah, I decided to pair this with some Converse and make it like, I didn't want it to be like too dressy, so I paired it with that. So this is actually my whole outfit put together. I am in love with it. Anyway, so I put this whole outfit together. I envisioned it and I was like, yes, I gotta work this out. This is actually my whole completed look for my birthday. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever it is I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.